Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious buffalo burger. Might even put a fried egg on there.
Let's give it a try.
I have the Blackstone Pro Series. Of course, it burns hotter than other griddles. I'm going to keep that up around medium, but for the most part, you're going to want to have your burners on high because you want a super good sear. Then you can flip it over and crank that heat back. And you know me, I'm all about the wild game, and I also love bison. Farm-raised, vegetarian-fed bison, and of course, Colorado bison. Oh, baby. Check these out. These are about 5-ounce bison patties, and we're going to season those up with granulated garlic and Dano's chipotle. Loving the Dano's seasoning, and it has very low sodium. You can see the griddle is blazing hot. We have 100% pure avocado oil. Love to cook with avocado oil and extra virgin olive oil. Seasoning side down. I like to put a little bit of oil on top. I mentioned earlier, the Pro Series is really hot, so I cranked mine down to low. Let's go in for a flip. Here we go. And because this is burning so hot today, I'm even gonna turn these middle burners off all the way. One plate of steel here, right? It's about 55 pounds. Conducts a lot of heat, and we're still gonna have plenty of cooking power. But you need to adjust it according to your griddle. If you're using the 17-inch Blackstone, you only have one burner. You might be outside, and you might need to have that thing cranked up all the way on high all the time. And I picked up some Boar's Head Muenster cheese. I'm actually gonna fold the cheese a little bit. That way I can put it, it'll perfectly fit over the patty. Sometimes if the cheese is too wide, it melts on the patty and it completely covers it. And in the picture and in those thumbnails, you don't even see a burger. All you see is cheese. Gonna go down with my Blackstone egg ring. A little bit of spray in there just to make sure nothing sticks. And we'll try to fry us an egg. Still remember, years ago, Chef Nathan Lippy taught me that you could move a yolk like this because for some reason, I always crack my eggs and they move all over the place, and I saw him doing this and I said, what? And you can sprinkle a little seasoning on your egg if you want to. And today I've got the Dave's Killer Bread burger buns, just a tiny bit of mayo on the inside. Speaking of Blackstone Griddle pros, Blackstone Betty taught me years ago that mayo is the best way to toast a bun. Been a minute or two. Oh, baby, come on. I've been saying it for 10 years. Toasted to perfection every time on a Blackstone. Unless you leave it too long, then of course it burns, but toasted to perfection. Let's stack up those patties. All right, let's grab that egg. Check this out. You know how much I love cast iron. Picked this up at the flea market last year, Old Mountain. Just like the perfect size for a rustic burger presentation. I've cooked burgers before where I've had the meat hanging 2 or 3 inches off the bun, but there's just something about that when you can perfectly match everything up together. See the egg ring, the burger patties, the cheese slices, everything looks perfect. Take a look at that. I'll spell it out for you one more time. That's a Dave's Killer Bread bun with mayo, 2 Colorado bison patties seasoned with Dano's chipotle and garlic, fried egg on top, Muenster cheese. Oh my goodness. I don't do burgers with eggs often, but when I do, you have to go in for the yolk break. Woo! And I'll tell you right from the get-go, I'm not gonna eat this whole thing. My wife's here with me. I'm cutting it in 2. Let's give it a try. I love bison burgers, but for some reason, I haven't had one in about a year. Lately, it's been all beef burgers, antelope burgers, deer burgers. Let me set this down. Oh my goodness, so delicious, friends. So I really wanted to simplify things today. I got into doing smash burgers and I realized I hadn't done a normal burger video in forever. I wanted to get back into doing kind of regular burgers. I've done nothing but smash burgers for years and years, so hopefully you enjoy that. And if you're interested in the Blackstone 36-inch Pro Series, you can pick that up at Walmart. So thanks for watching, everybody. I sure do appreciate it. Make sure you check out all of the shows on the Blackstone Network because there are a lot, and there are a lot more coming. And make sure you visit me this summer on the Blackstone Griddle More Tour. Until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the Colorado Double Buffalo Burger.